Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week I wanted to do a comparison of wax paper and parchment paper. I know what you're thinking, why do you need to explain what those two do? Well, one time I sent my wife to the store to get me parchment paper and she brought back wax paper, so obviously it is a common misconception, I guess, confusion. I don't know. Anyways, so to get started, wax paper is, shocker, coated in wax. Typically it's a soybean or a paraffin wax specifically. You can use it to line your countertops before rolling out pie crusts or any other type of dough. You can also use it to wrap up food like sandwiches, or if you're going to do freezer, you can separate things, if you're freezing meat or something, you can put wax paper in between items to keep them from getting stuck together. It has a lot of uses. The one thing you don't ever want to do is use it in the oven because it's coated in wax, and therefore that wax will melt and it'll ruin your pan, and it'll ruin whatever food you were trying to cook with it. You can use it as a freezer type paper to wrap your items up in, but you need to do it for short term. Parchment paper, on the other hand, is coated in silicone, so it is heat resistant. It's perfect for lining pans, for cookies. You don't have to use cooking spray or worry about greasing your pan, nothing. I love parchment paper. It is the greatest thing. Probably second only to silicone baking mats, because those things are just top tier. Whatever scientist we can thank for making those is just, chef's kiss. So yeah, wax paper and parchment paper, a lot of differences. But, together you can rule your entire kitchen with them. Wax paper, use it for cold things only. Cold things only. You can put it in the microwave, but I probably wouldn't. Parchment paper is for hot. You can bake anything and just live your life. But yeah, that's all I got. But I hope you guys are having a really good week. Agnes, our house chicken, you can see she has a very fashionable haircut. Hope you guys are having a good week, and I'll see you next Tuesday.